So the little tab here, it goes in the front, and we're gonna plug it in. Oh, I can see it glowing already. And we're gonna hide the cord under the log. That way it's not even visible in the reflection and gives it nice dimension. This is really easy. You can mix large and small crystals to make it look more because you're well with modern interior. I love the smoke in this one and the locks in the background. Different style. We just took this Dynasty Tempo fireplace out of the box it arrived in, and there was the fireplace inside as well as the media. So we have different sizes of crystals. This is the product manual. This is the cord if you would like to plug it in. Imitation of charcoal embers. So we're going to follow the manual to set it all up. The manual has really good instructions and explains where this fireplace can be installed and the framing dimensions. We connected the power cord to the unit so we can turn it on. The screws go back in. We are removing the trim that is in the front of the fireplace, and it is just attached by the magnet, which is pretty impressive and makes it easy to remove. Now we're removing the thumb screws to remove the front glass. There is one in each corner. Oh. And then there's one on the other side here as well. Okay, here's one on this corner. It's hard to see, but it's just a small screw. To remove the front glass, Dynasty provides this really cool suction cups. Yes. And there is 2 of them. So inside the glass there are boxes with all of those decorative logs, and we're going to go ahead and remove them. Okay, the fireplace is plugged in. Here is our power button, power, and the flames. The flame just came on, and this is what it looks like without any media or anything set up, just right out of the box. I put the batteries in the remote. So remote has different flame presets, different colors, different height, different style of the flame. It will all look better once we have the media set up. We are going to experiment with logs. Every one of those boxes has the number on it, and you can match it with the logs here. Those are glowing logs, so you would remove the tape here and attach the cord that will power the logs and give them the glow. We'll set up half of the fireplace with logs and half with crystals. So the little tab here, it goes in the front, and we're gonna plug it in. I can see it glowing already. And we're gonna hide the cord under the log. That way it's not even visible in the reflection and it gives it nice dimension. Okay, we're gonna do one more. Little tape, plug it in, and it's glowing. Make sure you hide the cord under the log so we don't see the reflection. There we go. Nice. Here's what it looks like with logs. They don't flicker like this in real life, actually. For the second part, we're going to use glass crystals. We're going to use some large and small. This is really easy. Just put them in the front of the flames. thing is you can mix large and small crystals to create the look you want. It goes really well with modern interiors. We also have this black glass that will do a great job blocking the light coming from the bottom. So let's put it on this side. Here's what it looks like with the black glass at the bottom. Really looks like glowing embers, and we can change the color by pressing this button here, and it changes the color of the ember bed and the logs. It can be from green, blue, nice pink. Wow, that's interesting. And you can turn it off completely. Let's keep it on this. So we just found this box of decorative logs, and they all have also letters and numbers. So we unpacked one, which is AA7, and it is clever because it is hollow inside and it can sit over that electrical component so it can hide it well. So this is a simple process of putting the glass back on. We're still using those devices that Dynasty sent to us. It goes in, it stays slanted like this to eliminate the glare. The plate goes back over there. Screwing it back on. After the glass is on, we are putting the trim back on, and it has magnets on top, so we're just going to attach it to the magnets. Now our fireplace is fully set up with logs on this side, crystals in the middle, logs on the other side. Again, this is just a demonstration. You can pick the style you want. You can mix it all together, really. There is a lot of creativity that can go here. And now we're gonna demonstrate all of the different flame colors. This is what it looks like. Just so you know, I'm filming this in the middle of the day in the room with giant windows. So this is probably as bad as it gets as far as the flame brightness and the glare. And I would say it looks great. I'm very happy with the way it looks. So now let's look at different functions of the fireplace. So with this top button right here, you can change the color of the ember bed and the logs. So many options, including the rainbow. So you can really get creative with decorating your space. You can adjust the brightness of the ember bed and the logs. It's very important at night, I think, and also the downlighting. We have our fireplace fully set up, and this is what it looks like in the bright room in the middle of the day. Yes, there is some glare, but honestly, the flame looks really good, especially compared to other virtual fireplaces and other electric fireplaces. I would give it 10 out of 10. It looks natural and bright in a bright room, so I'm happy with the look here. Now, let's look at the remote functionality. So here is the remote. It's pretty simple. I think it's easy to use. Flame button changes flame colors. Then you have this button that changes the log colors. And then if you get too out of whack here, you can just press the heart and it comes back to the factory settings that looks more natural. If you prefer the realistic look and the feel of the fireplace, there is a sound button right here that is a crackling sound. Okay, there it is. This fireplace produces heat, so there is a heat button right here. And you can set temperature. Okay, you can set the thermostat temperature, it will maintain that. And it will kick in when it goes below. You can hear it right now. Let me turn off the crackling sound. So this is how loud the heater gets when it's on. It's really not bad. It is a light hum. And if you have the crackling sound on, it's not going to be noticeable at all. Thanks for watching the unboxing video. I also made a video review of this fireplace. If you would like to watch it, I will link it down below. Bye.